So here we're taking the boat, so they're going to pull it out. This is my first boat. I got it, actually purchased it from here at Pacific, um, and had to repair the helm. I'll show more video on that later. But right now, Ramon is driving the boat, or piloting the boat, over to where it is going to be lifted out so they can put it on the hard. I speeded up the video because it was kind of long and windy. So what they're doing is getting ready to pull it out. It's a Sea Ray 30-footer sedan bridge. As you can see, part of the fly bridge is still not all there. I've got to build a frame for it. I couldn't find a window. But what the guy did is he hit a bridge and it took off the whole top half there. If you want to see more of the video, you can check out my other video that I have more showing the helm and the radar arch and the bimini and everything that was knocked off. So I've got that all pretty much done. So now we're going to take it out so we can clean the bottom, check the props, and get it in good condition before I take it to Oxbow Marina. So that's what we're getting ready to do here. What's nice about this place is they'll pull out the boat. They require that you have the bottom sprayed for so it's environmental safe. So what they're going to do is they're going to pull it out. They're going to clean the bottom, which that gives me a little time to do a quick look at the bottom. We took it for a test drive, and it was vibrating a little. So we think the prop might be a little banged up. So we'll find out. We're going to pull it out. We're going to scrape the bottom, clean it, sand it, and then put a couple of coats of anti-fouling paint. We're going to do a quickie job on it, and I plan to take it out again next year and do a better job. It's just I want to get it out of here so I can get it to Oxbow, where I have my canvas shop, and then I can finish the canvas. We did a little quickie canvas on it because it was raining and it was out in a berth that was uncovered, and I wanted to make sure it didn't get totally soaked. So I need to get that done. I need to get the framework done, get the isinglass. We did the seats already, which if you want to see in the previous video, you can see that too. But here we go. They're lifting it up. We're going to get this baby out so we can get her done. We've went through the engines. Everything was good. We did the radiators. The plugs have been changed. Had everything checked out. I think I got one carburetor where the choke is sticking, and so I'm going to have to fix that once we get it back in the water so I can check it out. But other than that, everything seems fine. The engines are fairly new. They've been pulled out and put new ones in and repaired or whatever. But they both start really nice. They sound nice. They're 454s, two of them. It's a shaft-driven boat. I had to rewire the whole top half of the boat and part of the wiring in the walls of the boat because whenever the guy hit it with the bridge, it took everything out. New gauges, pretty much everything's new on the top half, which was nice because whenever I went through it, there was, over the years, of people adding stuff and taking stuff out, and wires just cut, and it's a mess under there. But now it's looking pretty good. I still have a little bit left to do, but Other than that, the whole top is going to be new. I had to modify a few things to get it to work because I couldn't find parts, and you can see that in the other videos too. Yeah, the prop on that side is definitely good.
It is. So right here, we've got the prop. You see here where it's definitely bent. And then this one over here, also, you can see the bends in them. Okay. And then we got the zincs. Are a little chewed up. So we'll replace those. This prop looks good by looking at it. We've got another zinc on there. Some zincs over here.
Look at that baby swing. The nice part about them spraying it off is they got all the gunk off the bottom of the boat and any of the loose paint. So that was nice. So by the time they hauled it over, we had a decent surface to work with. The only place there was a little bit of the gunk left was where the straps were, which it did come off pretty easy, so that was nice. Well, I just picked up my props from the prop shop. Delta propeller. And man, do they look nice. Woo-wee. Ain't they pretty? Now here's the funny part. They may look pretty, but look at me. I don't know if I can do that. I'll have to do another thing. Well, let's look at that. Now, nobody make any comments. I don't want any little... Well, anyways. I went into the store, didn't even notice. I hope somebody didn't think I was doing something crazy. But I was cleaning the black paint off the bottom of the boat, so I can put new paint on the bottom of the boat. And this is what I look like. But those are pretty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And let me know down in the comments below what you'd like to see next. So we're going to try the prop knocker on this. See how it works.